Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to remove a dome ceiling light cover. This will be a full tutorial, so let's get right into the video. It will also be super duper easy. Let's get right into it. What you're looking at is just sort of like a typical dome ceiling light cover. There are different ones, and I'll explain the differences and how to remove those as well. But this is one that you'll generally see. Now, this is the side that is usually facing the ground, okay? So I've actually removed it. So it's usually hanging like this. And this side here that you see, the decorative side, is usually facing the ground. So what you're seeing right now is usually what you would see if you were underneath the light, okay? Now I'm gonna flip it over to show you what it usually looks like. So if you take a look over here, there are just 3 of these clips right here holding the dome in place over the light, okay? Now 2 of them are stationary, as you can see, but 1 of them you can move. That's the key. You can move 1 of them. That is the key right there to doing this. So what you're gonna do underneath is you're gonna go ahead and you're gonna sort of pull on each of these. See if these flex. No, no, yes. When you find the one that moves, you're gonna pull it out and then you can remove the cover. And what happens when you pull it out, I'll demonstrate in a moment. What happens when you pull it out is you're opening up this little, sort of like this little opening, and then you can remove the cover. Now, you're gonna be doing this underneath. So make sure that you have a good hold of the cover so the cover doesn't fall and break. You want to make sure you have a good hold of the dome, okay? But what I will show you is I'll show you how to remove it like this. But like I said, you're going to be doing this underneath. Gravity will be in effect. So make sure you have a good hold of the cover. So this is the one that moves. So I would be prying this back just like that, okay? And remember, you're having a good grip like this, right? And then you could simply pull the dome out. So you would go ahead and you would work the dome out of place, like that. Now there is a light bulb in here which is kind of preventing it a little bit, but you would work the dome out. That's how you remove it. That's it. Literally that simple. Now the other type, I'll show you how to put it back in. You slide that in place there, and then you would just pop this up. Now like I said, it would be the other way around. It would be upside down, so just keep that in mind, okay? The other type is there is going to be a little screw piece right here. So with some of them, like I said, it's going to be upside down, so you're going to be underneath it. But you're going to have to grip the dome so it doesn't fall and break, and unscrew a piece right here. Once you unscrew that piece, there's going to be a little hole in the dome. Once you unscrew that piece, the dome will just fall, like not fall, but you can lower it from the light fixture. So instead I would be unscrewing the piece and I would lower the dome from the light fixture. That's it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.